Hey guys, another vlog nyo naman. Aerox version 2 non-ABS. Nag-avail si boss ng ating package A. Bare months promo guys. So sa may mga gusto guys, naka-Aerox ka man, naka-NMAX ka man, ADB or PCX, anything Honda, Yamaha, yun, available sa ating shop ang ating package A. Napakalupit. So guys, quick demo ko lang. Syempre yung ginawa nating quick setup dito, meron tayong mini driving light switch. Ayan, yung low beam nya, solid white. Yung high beam, solid yellow, off gitna, alright. Napakaganda, napakalinis ng pagkaka-setup. Pass light, syempre, kahit naka-off, naka-low, kahit naka-high, nagpa-passing light. Alright, 6 months warranty to guys ha. Tapos, Japan material, syempre, Nito tape, Japan relay denso. Syempre, fuse box Japan, tapos wire Japan. Nito tape Japan, alright. Stock horn mode, alright. Walang rapid, walang combo guys. Alright, loud horn mode, syempre, may dual horn switch tayo, back to stock. Yung hollow switch natin, alright.